si buyer doon. Oo. So, yung colors lang at saka yung design, hindi pwede tayo yung parang pang resort or yung parang mga sobrang pasyonista, no? Na parang cake na yung bahay. We don't like that, no, in our community.
But at the end of the day, sir, when it comes sa design, it will be subject for approval pa din with
Lagi
the
naman.
engineering department natin, no? Ayun. So, kumbaga, i-review muna din nila before like building, no?
The process usually is that when a buyer is paid up already with their unit, yung kanilang lote, they can start requesting na yung ating lot plan. No, the lot plan is from our engineering department, so they can request that. From that lot plan, they can proceed to their own respective contractor or architecture to design the house unit for them. And after that, they will present it to our office for approval. So it's basically, it's the height, the design outside, and then of course the credibility of the structure, of the design, because we have to observe the National Building Code.
Yes.
Yan. After that, then they can proceed now with the local government approval, building permit, and everything.